Hey Diamond Gem, so I wanted to show you guys the basil. So I just took this off of the plant. So you guys know I never grew basil, so I had to like go and research and see how you're supposed to harvest it. So that's the second set. Then last week, I was looking online trying to figure out how you dry it out. So this is the basil dry because I want to do it in a powder. So I'm going to put this in my NutriBullet and actually turn it into a powder. That way it can last longer. So what I did was I put it in the microwave. I washed this off. I let it sit for like a day to dry out normally, like naturally. And then I put it between two paper towels and I put it in the microwave the first time for 30 minutes. Second time, I'm sorry, not 30 minutes, 30 seconds. Then I stopped it, put it in again for like 20 seconds, and I did it again for like 10 seconds. And then it dried out naturally. So you can either crumble it if that's how you want to do it. But for me, I'm going to turn mine into a powder. So I'm just going to put it in my NutriBullet, spin around, and it will turn into a nice fine powder. And then I'll have sweet basil powder that I can just sprinkle on my food. All right, y'all.